Hello guys, I'm with all the contestants, as usual. And this is BFM, Battle for Money, or Millions. So, what we did last time was, there was no competition actually. There was a surprise, which was Mushroom. Yeah, and I joined the big team. And there's another surprise. The person who we're voting for is the eliminated contestants. So they've all been eliminated. So one of them can get back in and win $1 million. So let's get into it. We have 8 votes. Oh, what? We always have 8 votes. I know. People need a vote. So, getting straight in. Box. Oh, you're eliminated with 0 votes. Oh, what? So, well, going back down there again. Everybody say bye. Bye. Bye, Box. 4 more. Ooh, trash. Oh, no. You're safe with 1 vote. Well, at least I got 1 vote. Well, throw me off. Okay, goodbye. Whoa. Okay, 3 left. Are you guys excited? Yes, but nervous. Ooh, Toaster. Oh, no. You got 2 votes. Oh, well, that's pretty good. Hey, you pressed my button that says don't press. Now I'm angry. Ugh. Bye, Toaster. Bye. 2 left. Who's going to get back in? Is it Flory or Ball? It is Flory. Yes, I'm back in. No, you're not. You got 2 votes. Oh, and Ball got 3. Yes, I'm back in. Whoa. Celebrate later. We need to throw Flory on the floor. Goodbye, Flory. Ciao. And that's all of them. Ball, you're back in. Yes. So which team do I join now? Well, the big team again, because you were part of the big team. Oh, wow, cool. Wait, what? Mushroom? Who's this? Hi, I'm Mushroom, and I'm part of the big team too. Oh, cool. Wait, does that mean we have 5 people? And we lost twice? That's crazy. How lucky are we to get back? Yeah, woohoo. Okay, let's get on to, what's the challenge? I was about to say what the challenge is, so let's get on to it. This guy, hello, is gonna try to run over your team. So, if you're not fast enough, he'll run you over like this. So, don't get tagged, or don't get squished. And then the last team, the first person squished is up for elimination. I'm gonna do it. So you guys better run. We'll give you, a minute. Go. Okay, guys, there's a crazy guy coming after us. Oh, no problem. We'll just go on you, and then we go and hide. Can't find us over here. Don't think. I think it's just like hide and seek. Okay, guys, no drill. Get in. Where should we go? We have to be quiet about it. Go in there. Okay, what do we do? Well, I'll go with shirt. You can get cookie and bowl. Gotta hide. There he is. Hey, can we hide with you? Sure, why not? Okay, guys, we gotta get out of here. Yeah, I don't want to lose again. Okay, let's go. We'll hide behind here. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm excited. I haven't done a challenge in a long time. Okay, 15 seconds. Oh, we gotta get out of here. Go over here. Never find us. Okay, it is time. You're right. Go get him. Heh. Gotta run him over. Should I go? Oh, he almost found us. What was that noise? I heard something. Maybe it was over there? No. Maybe over. Aha. Oh, no! Go! Run! Shoom. Where we go? Hey, ball, they're over here. Oh, I'm coming for you. Oh, we didn't see us. What? Another person. I'm coming. 2 teams, haha. I'm sure to get one. And off we go. Oh. Where are they? He's facing the wrong way, guys. Well, I know where you are now. Wow! Go, go. You can't hide from me. You're trapped. No! Squish. No! Did we just get out for the first time? No! No! Really? You got the person that never got out. Good job. So, everybody, the challenge is done. You guys are safe. Woo! That was all close. Okay. So, it's already the end of the video. So, you can vote for shirt, pants, cookie, bowl, cookie, and lastly, Mr. Star. So, who are you gonna vote for? You have 2 or 3 days to vote. So vote now. See ya. Good job, Mr. Ball. Yeah. Goodbye. Is it over? I don't know. Should we go out? I don't know. Maybe we should stay here just in case. It's over. Oh, cool. Bye, guys.